Hey besties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make tapioca. Now we know tapioca is usually made with coconut and I don't really like coconut. So when I was craving tapioca, I checked and I saw that, oh, you can actually make it without the coconut shavings, and I decided to make it. Now this was my first time making tapioca and I think I did really well. I'm going to show you guys how I did it and the measurements I used. I have a playlist of some recipes on my channel, some other recipe tutorials basically on this channel. I'm going to link it in the description box so that you guys can go check it out. But right now, let's get into this particular video. Now I used 2 cups of tapioca. Now the tapioca itself, it's a whitish, hard, grainy substance. So that's what you are going to use. So that's what you are going to buy and use for this particular recipe. Way back a year ago. And then I added 5 cups of water. Now here it looks like I added only 3 cups. I had to add more to this particular quantity that I used because this is going to swell. So after putting the water, you're going to cover it and leave it for at least 10 hours. Now some people leave it overnight, especially when you want to make it in the morning. So you do it at night and then in the morning you just make it. So you're going to leave it for at least 10 hours. Now some people wing it and just leave it for 5 hours. Once they see that it has started swelling, they will just use it just like that. Now I left mine for at least 10 hours and this is what it looked like when I finally opened it up. So can you guys see what I meant by it swells? So this is what it basically looks like. Now you're going to put your water on the fire and make sure it comes to a boil. So can you guys see how my water is boiling? Now you're now going to pour your tapioca mixture into it and then start stirring. Now I always like stirring because if you leave it to steam on its own, it's going to start burning, it's going to start sticking to the bottom of your pot. So I usually like stirring it continuously till it starts getting thick. So this is me just stirring and stirring and stirring and stirring. A lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. Now here it has started becoming really clear. So it's not more like the whitish way it was before. So before it becomes really thick, I'm going to take my sugar and I'm going to add it to it. Now you can use whatever amount of sugar you like. It's based on your own preference. There is no exact measurement for how much sugar you're going to use for this. Just keep tasting it till it's your satisfaction and then keep stirring again. So continue stirring it till it thickens and becomes clear. Things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. Now once it's done, I always like covering it and leaving it to steam a little, just a little bit, and then it's time for serving. Guys, can you guys see how clear it is in this bowl? Now guys, tapioca is really nice with liquid milk. It's actually really nice with liquid milk. So once you've added your milk, just stir it and your tapioca is ready to fill your belly. And I actually enjoyed it more than I usually enjoy oats. I don't know how that happened, but I enjoyed this more than I usually enjoy taking oats. And guys, that's all I have for this tutorial. I hope you guys learned a lot from this tutorial, how to make your tapioca without the coconut shavings. So if you don't take much coconuts just like me, or you don't take at all, or you just don't want to add coconut to your recipe, this is the perfect video for you. And guys, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Like this video, share within and outside your circle, comment in the comment section. If you have any questions, I'll be ready to answer you in the comment section. Also join in as a member of this channel, guys. Membership is amazing. It helps me have, more funds to buy materials, food items and stuff that I can use to make new recipes on this channel. And yes guys, that's all I have for this particular video. Until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.